Morning my nappy subbies, it's me, Nappy Missy101, and this morning I wanted to show you what my hair looks like after I've had it tied down all night, and it's looking really flat. So I want to show you guys how I wake up my curl. Okay, so what I do is I take my water bottle and I just spritz my hair just a bit. And then I take some shea butter, just a dot, because I did apply a generous amount last night. And this is all I do. My hair is early damp, it's not saturated with water, it's just damp. And that is how I wake up my curls for the day. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was a help to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you, see you soon. Bye.